Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Let me show you how I make my coconut fried rice. Here are the list of my ingredients. In a clean pot, add your vegetable oil, salt it when it's hot, add your onion, add your ginger and garlic, add your thyme and your rosemary, stir very well, and all this is just to build up flavor for your rice. Then add your parboiled rice, toast it for about 5 to 7 minutes on low heat, then add your curry, stir properly and add your milk. At this point, everybody should know something is cooking in your house. Stir properly, add water if the milk is not enough. Cook until the water dries out or your rice is about 80% cooked. Stir in intervals to make sure your rice doesn't get burnt. In another pan, add your vegetable oil, salt it, add your onion and fry until it's translucent. Add your sausage and also fry. This should take about 5 minutes. Add your carrot and fry for 2 more minutes. At this point, you can add your seasoning, anything you want to use, and taste your food to make sure the ingredients are well combined. Now, if you've watched this video to this extent, it means you find content in this video. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Now add the remaining of your ingredients and your salt to taste. Make sure everything is well combined. Add your spring onion, stir it properly, and for that final effect, add your soya sauce. Now at this point, everybody should be singing hallelujah in your house because it's about to go down. Guys, empty the content into your rice and stir properly. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I love you and thank you for staying true. Please do well to subscribe and see you in my next video. Thank you and bye for now.